So let's talk about a very common issue that a lot of amateurs have. When they take the club back, they roll their wrists and they roll the club inside like this. They roll it inside and they don't even know they're doing it. The club should be coming back more as a single piece and not like this. It should be coming back kind of straight back, not quite, but back along the target line as opposed to like this. So how do you know if you're doing that? Well, if I take the wrist X and I move it, slightly rotate it so the pad is pointed at my index finger knuckle, and I set this to a low degree, let's say 10 degrees, and I do that and I come inside, it's going to click and I'm going to know it right away. So if you have this problem, and I can set it even lower down to 0 degrees, as I come back in, it clicks. If I go back here, it doesn't click. So if this is happening on your backswing, again, point the wrist X on your wrist so it's pointing about at your index finger knuckle. If it's clicking and you're at 0 or 10 degrees, you've got a problem that you got to work on. And you can leave the wrist X there and practice your takeaways without it making any noise, just like that. So that's a very common problem, and that's a great use for the wrist X.